do some songs about spring. Do you hear that? There's a bird up there, a robin. How wonderful. Oh, it's gonna sing along with us. This is a song I like to sing called Welcome to Spring. You can sing along with me or do some arm motions with me. Early one morning, just as the sun was rising, I heard a robin in the garden singing a song. Warm winds are blowing, green grass is growing. We have come to celebrate and welcome spring. In my little garden, I plant flowers and seeds. I water them and watch them grow and rake the ground with care. The sun will shine, the rain will fall. I watch the flowers